3 years ago, I posted a video on hanging my DS doll from a closet shelf, using a hook that's screwed into the shelf and a ring bolt that's screwed into the doll's neck. After remodeling my own closet, I chose to use the sturdy clothing racks in that closet as the best place to hang the doll when not in use. Unlike the original doll closet, this closet lacks a door, so I had to do a better job at hiding the doll. Here's how I hung the doll in its new location for under $10. The solution I found was a large white bag that is used to store wedding gowns when not in use. You can check the video description for a link to the one I got, but I suggest you measure your doll and find out how long of a bag you would need. To be on the safe side, I bought a bag that was slightly longer than I needed. The material is a soft white cotton, which is perfect for the silicone doll in that it will not stain the skin. There are many bags out there that are either see-through or colored, so I recommend getting a white one if you do this. There are dual zippers, which make opening and closing the bag easy at any point on the zipper, and there is even a little plastic pocket for random extras, like a hair clip. Since the doll's weight is a lot more than a piece of clothing, I knew that a clothing hanger was not going to cut it. Fully closed, the ring bolt sticks out for hanging on the rack. I found a leftover connector from some chain link fence that had a connecting bolt that was the perfect size to attach the ring bolt to. Putting some duct tape around this aluminum piece made sure the piece of fencing did not damage the closet rack. After the duct tape was applied to both the bolt and the metal edges of the fence connector, I put it on the rack and hung the doll up. Once clothes were covering it, the bag blends in perfectly and nothing looks questionable. All for less than $10, I was pretty pleased with the outcome. If you have any thoughts on this or would like to share your doll hanging solutions, please comment below. Thanks, and remember to keep calm and doll on.